Welcome to another video on UiPath Autopilot. As many of you were asking me based on my previous videos on how to access UiPath Autopilot. So I want to just cover few points regarding that. As we know, UiPath Autopilot is a GPT-based copilot which will generate expressions with our natural language commands. It is directly accessible from UiPath Studio with a version above 23.12 and a community license. So let's get into today's video to solve some real-time issues from forum. So this is the UiPath Forum, and as you know, UiPath Forum is the Stack Overflow for UiPath community where we discuss queries with UiPath experts globally. So today we are going to take this post by an user where they are facing an issue with date expression. Let's also observe what is the format of date they are getting. So based on that, we are going to send a command to Autopilot to just help us parse this date using a syntax. Let's go ahead and try it. Let's create a process with datetime test with Autopilot as name. I hope they are using VB. Yes. So let's create a project. Let's create a string with the date posted on the forum. Now let's add one more assign to create a date object. So we'll create a date object. System.datetime. Now we have reached the place where we need to write the expression. So let's write a natural language prompt to send it to Autopilot, which will generate us back the date parsing statement. So we are going to parse a date string with the variable name in a specified form. So it's going to generate a statement for us. So the expression is now generated by the Autopilot. Let's test and see if this expression is working fine. Let us add a log to print the year from the date object. So if we just debug through it, we were able to print the date, and we can also see the year object in the immediate panel with the date loaded. So the expression is working fine. So the end goal here is the Autopilot will help us generate statements. Not entirely, but at least it will help us to speed up the development process. So let's post this in the forum so that they can refer, and let's use a special tag for the post called Autopilot. So that's all about the autopilot experiment for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I strongly recommend you to try it as well. Thanks for watching.